Discover these awesome AI bots that can earn you $50 a day. From PlayHT, the voice wizard you control with your keyboard, to Stealth GPT, the ninja of plagiarism-free content creation. Dive into Synthesia, the video magician for mind-blowing deepfakes, and meet Descript, the superhero that makes audio and video editing a breeze. But here's the grand finale, Opus Clip, your shortcut to short-form video stardom, transforming long YouTube videos into snappy shorts that can rake in fresh subscribers and add revenue. Number 5. PlayHT. Let's talk about PlayHT, the cool AI bot that's like magic for making voiceovers sound incredibly real. You can use it with just your keyboard. It's got this awesome lineup of different voices you can choose from, but here's where it gets wild. You can make it sound exactly like you. Yep, toss in a few audio snippets of yourself talking, and PlayHT's advanced AI works its magic to clone your voice. No more manual recording for every script. Oh, and here's a brilliant idea. You can start a YouTube channel without showing your face using your AI voice clone. Some peoples are making serious cash, hitting 6 figures a month just with these synthetic voices. And if video making isn't your jam, you can hire someone to do it for you, easily pulling in over $100 a day. Number 4. Stealth GPT. Let's dive into Stealth GPT, the next game changer on our list. It taps into the ChatGPT superpowers to whip up written content for you, covering everything from blog posts to YouTube scripts and social media captions. But here's where it gets interesting. This AI-generated text is like a ninja. Plagiarism checkers can't even sniff it out. Now here's the money move. You could turn this into a slick side hustle by offering AI writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Most peoples won't even notice it's not human written, and the cherry on top? You still own all the rights to what Stealth GPT cooks up. So, you could even toss those articles on your money-making blogs. Number 3. Synthesia. Time to uncover the marvel that is Synthesia, the mind-blowing AI wizard in town. This gem? It's like a video magician that conjures up deepfake wonders. Wondering what a deepfake is? Well, it's like you can stick someone else's face or voice onto a video. Mind-blowing, isn't it? With Synthesia, you're practically a cloning maestro. Imagine this. My face and moves, but the voice transformed into smooth native Spanish vibes. And hold on tight. This magic tool isn't just for fun, it's got some serious business mojo. Picture sending out personalized video shoutouts to your customers or readers on a grand scale. You could turn this into a gig, raking in over $100 a day. Number 2. Descript. It's like a wizard that turns editing into a walk in the park. Picture this. You toss in any audio or video file and voila! Descript spits out a transcript just like a text document. Now, here's the jaw dropper. You tweak that transcript and like magic, it fine-tunes the actual audio. It's pure brilliance. Users around the globe have used Descript to tidy up their podcasts and YouTube content. Say farewell to those awkward pauses, ums, or pesky repeats. They vanish in a snap. Honestly, it's a time-saving editing marvel. And you could turn this into a cash cow by offering top-notch editing services. Content creators and social media big shots are on the hunt for this skill. Plus, Descript has your back with auto-generated captions and subtitles in multiple languages. Number 1. Opus Clip. Meet Opus Clip, the grand finale in the AI lineup. This slick tool is your shortcut to short-form video stardom, especially in the era of the YouTube Shorts craze. Opus Clip takes those marathon YouTube videos and magically turns them into snappy vertical clips tailor-made for the short scene. Toss in a YouTube link and Opus Clip does its thing, slices, dices, add some graphics, text, and subtitles, all set for maximum engagement. And guess what? Users have given it a spin to breathe new life into old videos, making shorts that not only raked in fresh subscribers but also sweet ad revenue. But you can turn this into a money-making machine. Imagine whipping up shorts for clients at $50 a pop. You could be hitting that sweet $50 per day mark without breaking a sweat. Opus Clip practically does the heavy lifting for you. Short-form videos are the future goldmine, my friend. These AI bots aren't just tech marvels, they're your ticket to earning $50 a day online. PlayHT lets you control a voice wizard with your keyboard, while Stealth GPT is a ninja in creating plagiarism-free content. Synthesia works magic with deepfakes, Descript turns editing into a breeze, and Opus Clip transforms long videos into engaging shorts. The potential to explore these tools for making money online is limitless. Which AI bot are you most excited to try to make money online and why? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. Take care until the next one, and feel free to drop a comment sharing your thoughts. See you soon.